Alright, so a certain scallywag told me that I might find Lee's, my wife, with a pirate. Who knows? Let's go see. Maybe we'll find Lee's with a pirate. I hope not. Captain Jack Sparrow is, you know. Alright, let's go see. Alright, Mom. We're on pirates. Looking for Lee's.
Keep eating over there. You're still gonna get wet. You're not safe here. It's a water round. I know, crazy, right? Yeah, I got what?
What?
What? Oh, you didn't know there's water?
That's what that is?
No, that's Gatorade. Oh no! No.
Okay. Yes, that will be. That's where we could be eating. We should check in there and see if we can get a water table.
Okay.
If Lee's is eating over there. Is he in that cabin over there? Oh, there's an alligator. I see a crocodile, alligator. There's some sort of creature. Oh, it made a noise at me. Oh, that's not good. Playing banjo. Oh, okay. Inside, please. You guys seen Lee's? No?
Come seek an adventure and solve your pirate's tale. Sure, you come to the proper place. But keep a weather eye open, mates. And hold on tight. Like we had to.
What?
There be squalls ahead. And Davy Jones waiting for them.
Hey, Ma, if a eagle flies over a bay, is it an eagle?
You know where it is. Now proceed at your own risk. These are the last friendly words you hear. You may not survive to pass this way again.
Tell, now tell. No fear have ye of evil curses, says you. Properly warned ye be, says I. Who knows when that evil curse will strike the greedy owners of this treasure.
It's Captain Jack Sparrow. Bring out your white flag, you scurvy scum. Rid me of Captain Jack Sparrow, or I will send you everything you took. Get on the side. I'll do that. Jack Sparrow, show yourself, you miserable cur. Strike your eyes, you blood cockroach. Surrender, cockroach, Jack Sparrow. I told you to burn the city to the ground.
After what?
Yes, you are me. But bring me that stuff. Speak up. Something about you swimming with me.
Tell you guys, don't be cheating.
Fight the mother aloft, lady.
No, now you swallows. What may I offer to these hostage? Everyone regulate. Hello there, you pills cat.
Oh, quit your clapping. The gentlemen want the round. Don't you, boy?
Do I hear turn? A hand for a turn.
Here I be, holding the treasure map and the key as well. What I wouldn't give to see the look on Captain Jack Sparrow's face when he hears tell 'tis only me what's got the goods. It's just what they do running up. Them blasted lovers. What were them blasted pocket picking pirate? People building knife controls, they break on.
Where are you?
Last spoke over me and was negative. Me, bring up the hardest yo ho, yo ho, the fire is smoke for me. I'm ready to toast. You want to make a vision and what's the next steps? When the excuse Davy Jones always. The sea's been kind today. You tell the
Now you have to beat the parrot. Oh, it's now bumper cars. So, well, we went all the way around Pirates of the Caribbean. We could not find these anywhere. So, well, we'll carry on with Disneyland and see what else we can see. Join us next time. Hopefully we'll find leaves.